Unit 9, page 110. Listening. Exercise 2.
Hello, good evening. Welcome to another edition of The World's Greatest. This evening, we have in the studio a man with an overwhelming passion for, well, just about everything. Alec Gardner must be the world's most obsessive collector. He collects key rings, matchboxes, cartoon characters, beer mats, the free toys from cereal packets, cake decorations. You name it, he seems to collect it. So, let's meet Alec and find out why on earth he does it. Good evening, Alec. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
As you can imagine, the question on everybody's lips must be, why do you do it? What's the point?
Well, I don't think I'm mad. I think I'm quite normal, really. But to be honest, I'm not sure that I can answer that question, other than it gives me a lot of pleasure. I have been collecting since I was a small child.
Well, lots of children collect things.
Yes, but I suppose I've just never stopped. I was never bored as a child because there was always something new to collect. Then I had to organise and arrange them in my bedroom. I enjoyed that. I started with the small toys out of cereal packets, then football cards, toy cars, that sort of thing, and I've still got them. As I became older, I became interested in more things and started collecting them as well. The most pleasing thing is when I find the last object to complete a set of something. That's really satisfying. It's so great to know that you have got absolutely all of them.
So, what exactly have you got, and where do you put them?
Well, cartoon figures are my favourite because they're so cute and funny. I've got about 15,000 of them. Mickey Mouse has to be my all-time favourite cartoon character, and he's the oldest cartoon character as well, so there are more things to collect. I have about 6,000 little models of Mickey Mouse.
6,000?
Yep, just under 6,000 of Mickey alone, from all over the world. You'd be amazed where Mickey turns up. I have thousands of other cartoon characters too, especially Disney ones. That's my largest collection, simply because there are so many to collect.
And where are they?
All in my living room. The walls are covered with little shelves. I have 1,000 key rings as well, hanging on the walls. I have a lot of glass cabinets too. I've got 5,000 matchboxes in one of them, for example.
Wow! And how do you buy them?
Well, there are collectors' markets and little antique shops, of course. That was my main source before, but now I mostly buy on the net. eBay, for example. I'm a computer consultant anyway, so I seem to spend most of my life online in front of the computer these days, whether it's work or pleasure. Anyway, I don't like to leave the house for very long. Everything in there is precious, and I'm worried about burglaries.
And how much do you think you spend?
Oh, not sure. Not much. Well, not for each individual thing, anyway. I suppose I must have spent thousands and thousands of pounds over the years, although sometimes I have to spend a couple of £100 to complete a set of something.
A couple of £100 for a Disney model?
Well, yes, but it's worth it to me.
So, what's next?
I'm trying to buy the house next door. I need more space.
You'll be collecting the whole street next.
Oh, that's an idea.
Well, Alec, thank you very much for coming in to share your passion with us.
You're welcome.